How to download WavePad audio editor free version. First of all, open your browser and type www.ncrs.com.au/webpad in the address bar. Then hit enter. This will take you to the official WavePad audio editor page by NCS software. Once the page loads, you will notice a red button that says download now. Click on it and the download will begin automatically. The file is small, so it should only take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, go to your downloads folder and look for the installation file. Double-click on it to launch the setup process. Now, the installation wizard will open. Review the license agreement and once you are ready, accept the terms and click Next to proceed. The installer will now copy the necessary files and set everything up. Wait for the process to finish. Once done, the app will launch automatically. The free version of WavePad will open and is now ready to use. It comes with essential features for audio editing such as streaming, cutting, applying effects and more. And that's it. Now you know how to download WavePad audio editor free version. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.